Hey kids! Let's learn about the simple circuit today. First, remove a small amount of paper backing from the copper tape and start applying the copper tape on the brown trace line. Now mount the LED to the template, but before you do this, determine which leg of the LED is positive and which leg is negative. After mounting the LED, apply copper tape to both the legs of the LED. Place the battery on the given battery circle with negative side facing down. Fold the corner along the given line, and use paper clip to secure the corner. Your circuit is now complete. Is it learning fun?